you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a few mystery bundles from the Dot Boxx. Do you want to see what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so if you follow me, you know I have been getting the Dot Boxx for a few months, and I love that box. I just did my Dot Boxx not too long ago, and a few of you guys said you've had a few little hiccups with them this month, and I've never heard any problems with this company ever. To me, they are an amazing company. They have amazing customer service. The boxes are curated perfectly. Like, I love this company. I love their boxes, and I tell you guys that every time I unbox it. I've been watching them being unboxed for a very long time. I really enjoy and love this company and their boxes and what they do. Now, I did see they posted a thing on their Instagram that they had mailed over 160 boxes, and in that post office, they got contaminated with ants, and the postal service threw everything out. They could not take their 160 some odd boxes back to do anything because they were filled with ants. So they literally had to stop what they were doing, rush, and remake over 160 more boxes. Do you know how much product and money they just wasted? They pretty much wasted it because of the United States Postal Service. It was beyond their control. They worked all night long, like over 24 hours, trying to get these boxes to you guys. So if some boxes were a little bit rocky, or not exactly what you thought or exactly what you wanted, that may have been a part of that group that they had to rush to just throw it back together again to get them back out the door for you guys. So I feel so bad. Like, I did not like reading that. I'm like so sorry for them, like that they had to go through all that. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you had any form of any type of hiccup or anything with them this month, just remember they went through some real problems this month, and that may have been it. So that being said, I went ahead and I ordered, they do have on their website, they have where you can buy just a random mystery bag, and it was listed at $15, but then it said it was $10. So I don't know if they were on sale currently or if they're normally $10, but it had a $15, and I got these for $10 each. So I grabbed 3 of them because I wanted to show you guys, if you don't want to do the subscription, because you don't get period essentials or anything like that in these, they're just random mysteries, and I wanted to see what they were for only $10. I couldn't pass that up, so I grabbed 3 to show you guys. So if you're on the fence and you're not ready to jump on the subscription, maybe you can grab a couple mystery bags or boxes, whatever you want to call them, and maybe get some cool stuff in those. So let's go ahead and get in here, and like I said, for $10 I could not pass that up. So let's see what we have. So we have a 1 mystery bag, 2 mystery bags, and 3 mystery bags. And I love their bags. Like, hey, gorgeous. Like I said, I just really love this company, you guys. And I've never, ever heard anything bad until this month. And I think that's just the problem. They literally worked night and day to bust out and remake over 160 boxes. I feel so bad for them. I do. Like, that's horrible, you guys. Okay, so on this one, it says, mystery bag disclaimer. The joy of receiving a mystery grab bag is there is no rhyme or reason behind the items in the bag. We literally close our eyes to add to the fun, of course, and reach into an enormous box of overstock, grab a handful of goodies, and toss them in a bag. With that being said, we hope you embrace the mystery of it all and enjoy. Remember, it's all fun, and it says teen, adult, and snack. So the adult is these are all for the adult because that's what I chose. So let's go ahead and look in the first one and see what we have. I'm so excited because some of this stuff I want to use for like upcoming giveaways, if depending on what's in here. So let's see. So the first item that I'm pulling out is a set of 2 face masks. This is from Masquerade, and I had the Rose All Day. I have this, I've used this, and I really do like this. So I don't know what I'll do, if I'll go ahead and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy, or since I liked it so much, if I'm going to use it again, but we'll see. So we have a face mask, which that is really good because I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that one valued about $5 by itself because there's two peel off masks in there. So let's get to the rest of the stuff in here, you guys. Next we have, what in the world? Bloom Baby Bubble Bath Bar. How cute. And I don't take baths, so this is definitely gonna go to one of you guys. But this is a mandarin and bergamot are blended with soft jasmine and raspberry. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Sweet gardenia, pink orchid combined beautifully with the base notes of white moss. Creamy amber. Get the water started, then crumble a piece of the bar under running water. So this is a Bloom Baby Bubble Bath Bar. It looks like a caterpillar on a stick. I thought it was something to eat. No, Tracy, you don't eat it. You put it in the bath. So that is cute. It looks like a caterpillar. Look. Wah, 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 wah. It looks like a caterpillar. Okay, so there's 2 skincare items in there. That's awesome. Next we have is, oh, these are so good. The Sweet and Simple Butter Cookies. There's a 3-pack of cookies from Pepperidge Farm. Here is Hershey Strawberry. I've never tried this. Hershey Waffle Layer Crunch with strawberry. That is awesome. I can't wait to try that. And then the last item in here, you guys, is Sea and Sunshine. Fresh coconut lemongrass with a hint of salt, air, and sunshine. Whipped soap sugar scrub. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, and that smells so good. And look, it says sugar scrub. I shoved my finger through it. But that smells so good. Yes, I can't wait. I love when I get these sugar scrubs in my boxes. I literally use them up. I use all of them, and I never wanted to before, but now that I've been using them on my body, not my face, I'm a-okay with them. I really love them. So mystery bag number 1, again, for $10, you guys. This is everything that came in here. I think that's an amazing deal for $10. That is awesome. And if you actually get their subscription and you do a review, like they'll send you after you get your box, if you get an email that says, would you like to review your box? They'll actually send you, it's like a 20 or 30% off coupon for their store. And I use that code for this. So I actually got them cheaper than $10. And it was a one-time shipping, I think of $5 to do it all because it all came together. So I literally did not even pay $30 with shipping and all 3 bags. So that is amazing. So let's get into the second bag, you guys. Let's see what is in here. And mystery bags are always so fun because it's a mystery and you never know what you're gonna get. Ooh, there's quite a few things in this one, you guys. Okay. Whoa, this is so pretty. Here's LA Color Mermaid Magic. Look how pretty that nail polish is, you guys. That is gorgeous, and you know that's my color. And look at the mermaid top. That is such a beautiful like top. Like I love those colors. The pink to the purple to the blue to the teal. Yes, that is so pretty. Okay, so we have that. We have the Dippin' Classic Hummus. And we did get a hummus in the one for this month, but it was a different, it was a different flavor. So that's cool. I get to try another flavor now. That's cool. All right, then we have the Sunbelt Bakery Fudge Dip Coconut with Chewy Granola Bar. That sounds amazing. I don't like coconut, but my man's 80-year-old uncle is here right now and he loves coconut. So I'm gonna give this to him as soon as I'm done filming and he is going to be so thrilled. He loves coconut. So this is Simply Salted Flatbread Crisps. Ooh, that sounds really good. I've never seen that. That sounds really good. Okay. Now we have is an almond. This is an almond mask. Is this a face mask? Yeah, this is a face mask, an almond face mask. And I love me some masks. So there's that. Normal face mask. Perfect. Now we have is a whipped lip butter. Ooh, for your lips. Let's see. Ooh, That smells very cherry-y, and it's whipped. Ooh, that feels good. Wow, that feels amazing. And it smells so good, but that's a whipped lip balm, you guys. I mean, I've had so many whipped body butters and whipped soaps and all that, but I've never had a whipped lip butter. Okay, so now we have this is a skin perfecting serum. That's amazing. That's a really good brand too. So we have that. And the last item in this one is a voucher for lovers. It's the gift that gives 20 times. So there's alone time, big juicy kiss, breakfast in bed. There's a bath. I don't take baths, so that one could just sit in the book. Craving delivery, cuddle session, date night, designated driver, end to argument. That's cool. Errand of choice, fantasy of choice, foot massage, friends night, full body massage, household chore, makeup session, movie of choice, shower for two, sweet forgiveness, weekend getaway. There you go. So there is I guess there's 20 different pages in there, but there's the vouchers. That is just really cute. So you can have them, you could fill it out when it's redeemed, what the occasion is. And then you can write up here, like keep track, like a ticket book. That is so cute. Ticket book vouchers for lovers. That is awesome. So in this one, we got the voucher, the mask, we got the chips, we got this, more snacks, and more goodies. Like, this is everything in this one. So I'm gonna set this one aside. We have one more, you guys. Let's get into here. And oh my gosh, I see an item that I just got this month and I was so excited to get, and I've already used it. So I'm so glad to get another one. Let's get this open so I can show you. Alrighty. Let's dump this stuff out. This is, seriously, this is a lot of stuff for $10. Even if you don't have the coupon, for $10, this is amazing, all the stuff that you get. So in this one, we have AM to PM eyeliner. Oh, wow. So we have a black eyeliner. That's awesome. I could always use more black eyeliner. Like this style, this is what I use. We have a peanut butter and an almond butter chocolate candy. We have the Nature Valley Fruit and Nut Trail Mix. I love these. We get these all the time. Here we have is the Big Brave Boo Boo Balm. Huh? What? An ouchless coconut oil. Make it better. Slave for happy skin. What? What is this? Let me see. Is there directions? Before using any product, test a tiny amount on the skin. Okay. Important for use only on specific areas such as directed. How to use. Apply on unhappy areas as needed. If tender, dab instead of spreading. Get medical assistance if no improvement is seen in 24 hours. So it's like for scrapes or bruises or... Hyperallergenics. Oh, it says mini baby. Oh, I wonder if this is for Grandma's Minis. The Big Brave Boo Boo Balm. Oh, so I wonder if this is for, it shouldn't be for babies, but it says mom, baby, something on the top. Like, see the little, kind of like a little bear right there. I'm not sure. But I guess maybe this is kind of like a liquid Band-Aid. That's awesome. I mean, especially you could toss this in your car, and if you ever get cut somewhere and you don't have a Band-Aid, I mean, that's really cool. I've never seen this product, but it looks like it would be like a liquid Band-Aid. So that's really awesome. So we have that. we have the item that I'm excited about, which is the Pina Colada shower steamer. I love this. And one of you guys did tell me that you can cut it in 4s and use it 4 times. And I'm like, that is a really good idea. So thank you so much, because this one I'm going to go ahead and cut in 4s and enjoy this 4 different times instead of 1 like the other one. Okay, so then next we have, this is the fruit face mask and serum. And we got this in one of their other ones. So you have like the powder, and then here's the serum, and you mix it together, and then you use this to put it on your face. And it's like a face mask with serum and all this stuff. It gives you the directions on what to do with it, but it's a mask and serum kit. Mask and serum kit. Tear the mask kit at perforation and pour both sides into a small bowl. Mix with a few drops of water, approximately 1 teaspoon, until a smooth paste is formed. Apply to face and neck area and let dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently wash off. So yeah, you mix both of those, mix it up, spread it on, you're good to go. So there's that. And then the last item, and this is what yes, mango, is this the mango one? Is this the one we just got? Yes, oh my gosh, this is the one that I'm using and I love it. I've been using it sparingly because it's so good. This is the Mango Sorbet Whipped Soap. I love this stuff, you guys. We just got it and I have almost used the whole thing already because it smells so amazing. I wish you could smell that. It smells like a mango sunshine. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, I smell when I close it. Like, really? Yes. So that smells so good. So this one we got a lot of cool skincare. We got this shower steamer, the mask with the brush. We have I'm thinking that this is like a liquid Band-Aid. And then we have the eyeliner and we have the snacks. So my goodness, you guys. And again, I did not even pay $10. So it was like maybe $27, $28 total for all 3 of them minus that discount. So that is amazing. So even if you guys want to just grab some mystery boxes from time to time, they do the fun, close their eyes, reach in a big old bag of overstock items and put them in a bag for you guys. So this is a good way to get some cool snacks, some cool products without having the period essentials or anything like that. You're not going to get the bigger ticketed items, obviously, but you get all these other cool things to try. And I think all of this definitely was worth $30 for all 3 of these. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know. Again, I bought these to show you guys and then to use some items for future giveaways and stuff like that because I love giving back to you guys. I do. So comment down below. I would love to know. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And then you'll see when I do my other videos, when I do what I do, and you can watch those. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.